Hello everybody, welcome back to another simple recipe. Now, homemade pancakes are so tasty, always exciting and easy to whip up from scratch. In this video, I am making lemon and chia seed pancakes. They are simply perfect. Fluffy on the inside, soft on the outside, a little crunchy from the chia seeds, and utterly delicious. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to start by whipping up all the wet ingredients, and what you see me doing here is adding my milk to a bowl. Remember, all the ingredients I used are listed in the description below. To that, I'm adding my eggs, oil, lemon juice, and vanilla essence. Whisk everything up until well combined. And now for the dry ingredients, I am adding my sifted wheat flour to a large mixing bowl, then my sugar, baking powder, chia seeds, and lemon zest. Mix that up properly until all the ingredients are well combined, and make a little well in the center of the dried ingredients, and then we're gonna go in with the wet ones. Now gently whisk the two until well combined, and then set aside for about 10 minutes. I'll be back in that time. Okay, so this is 10 minutes later, and we're gonna need a ladle like this one to scoop up the pancake batter and cook it. I have already uploaded a video in which I show you the right way to cook your pancakes. I will link it for you in the description below, so you should definitely go and check that video out, okay? Now, you also need this spatula thingy or turner to flip the pancakes when they are ready. So, I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my kitchen flavors. I am so thrilled because of it, and if you haven't pressed that subscribe button, I suggest you go ahead and do that because it's going to help grow this channel until we're the biggest thing that's happening in the world. Yeah, in Jesus' name. So as you can see, my pancakes are ready. You can enjoy them with a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, and I think they're just perfect to celebrate the weekend. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you will be making your family's weekend mornings with these yummy lemon chia seed pancakes. Until my next one, may the good Lord flabbergast you. Bye!